We're going to finish up the drilling the hole in the door. You can see right about there where I got the hole going through for the handle. You can see right down here. Alright, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. And I hope it's not too much. I want you to be able to catch this, because here's the thing. Once you drill a hole in there, that's where it comes in having a bunch of skill. Like those other guys who are real carpenters know how to do all this stuff really, really well. I learn as I go. I'm lucky that I can kind of figure it out. So a 7/8 bit would be perfect for that, because what we got to do is we got to accommodate this so that when it will sit flush. Okay. I'm not going to do the holes here and here because that's not a big deal. You've seen that before. And if you remember the last video, see it's a good 1/2 inch away from the door, so I got to go. Man, I got to go a 1/2 inch into that. And I'm going to go a little bit bigger. I'm using a 1-inch bit. So that whenever I go back and put some resin in here to make sure, because I don't care what you put behind here, all kinds of gobs of silicone or latex caulk, whatever. You just don't want water in there, because this plywood will delaminate on you so fast, and you'll be building a new door. Your new video will be, hey, got to build a new door because it delaminated. Okay, so I'll drill me a hole through here with my 1-inch bit. And I know that I want to get it centered, which is right about there. And I'm just going to put my little squeeze clamp on there for right now. I mean, well, they're going to stay on there, but what I mean is I'm going to put it on so that I can get a better look at it. Make sure that it's centered. And this is the way, when I drill a small hole and I have to go in and enlarge the hole, this is how I make the hole bigger without making a terrible, terrible mess. And, you know, you got a couple more clamps, which I do, but I don't want to put y'all too far behind. I know you've got other videos you want to watch, and I appreciate you taking the time to look at mine. Yeah, that's pretty tight. Pretty tight. So, I guess what I should do, did not think about, I only need to go a 1/2 inch in, so you can see 1/2 inch of the, it's right about there. Right there, not right about. I want to go. Make sure you put that on there so you can see. Stop checking every once in a while. If you have a feeler gauge, that'd be awesome. You might want to turn your clutch down a little bit so if it hangs up, it's not going to hurt you or tear your work up. Here we go. And a sharp blade is a really, really good idea. Looks like I might be off a little bit. My forcer bit would be awesome for this, but I don't have one, so. Going to be a big one. I don't want a really big one. How close that is. Didn't fly it up too bad. Look at that. Oh, look how close we are. Just a little bit more. Get too overzealous with it, you'll find yourself with a can of binder trying to get that run, trying to get that fixed. Just a little bit more. Ooh, man, that's it right there. And I was wondering, if I could set those that way. That way, well, I don't think this really matters. So pretty much what you do from here is just take your chisel and clean that up a little bit. Make sure it's only take out only what you need to take out, just barely. And I guess you can set that this way or that way. I might set it this way, as long as it locks and works properly. Okay, that concludes that. Other than once you get this like you want it, of course everything's mounted on the trailer and ready to go. You see right there, we have to cut some of this off. You can adjust it and cut off a little bit more or a little bit less than what you think you're going to need, and then you can kind of take some more off a little at a time. So there we go. Awesome. Awesome. And I don't know what else to tell you other than take your time. Use my video as a cliff notes. This is not the way to do it. It's the way I did it. I just post this up there, so if you're doing one, you can say, hey, okay, let's see what he did. Now I know what I'm going to do to make it better. So I hope this helps you. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, ask me a question. Thanks for watching.